how to change the motor on the Robopop 220. Let's take a look. So first you will need to remove this part. This is just a protective metal shield, so it's quite easy to remove it. All you need just a flat screwdriver, and that's it. Then you will need the hex head with the extension, and you will need to unscrew 10 bolts. Do not touch this one, bigger one, don't touch them, just the small one. The electromotor is quite heavy, so when you remove the bolts you will need to put something under it, so it will not make a lot of pressure on the bottom side bolts. So here's the part, we call it the motor with the turbine, and we neither call it motor without turbine or turbine without the motor, because we have to make this connection between the motor and the turbine very, very precious. This engine gives like maybe 3,000 or 4,000 rotations per minute. It depends on where you operate this model, in the Europe or in the United States, because of the different frequency. But the thing is, if you will disattach this turbine from the motor and then connect another turbine, probably most likely you will lose this good balance, and without the balance it will break whole this unit very quickly. So the only one way how to change the motor in the Grand Robopop 220 or Robopop 75, Robopop 60, Robopop 25, is only change it with the turbine, like a one unit. To do it, you will need small hex head. You will need to put some force to remove this cap. Now we need to understand where's our wire located. So you see it's located on the bottom, and with the same head and you're done. In the end, you will need to unscrew the ground wire with the same hex head. To remove the wires, we will need to untie this plastic hex, and now we're ready to remove them. Almost done. The delta VFD inverter, it can control the frequency or the rotation of the motor. So if you will need to replace the delta VFD as well, please mark all the wires before you will remove them and before you will remove the delta VFD inverter as a whole unit. That will help you a lot when you will install the new unit instead. Now you know more about how to handle and fix your Robopop units. If you will need any advice or parts or service, you can contact us through the robolabsusa.com or just call to our office in Florida, Jacksonville. Wish you good luck, stay safe, and earn popcorn money.